How to fix Hisense Roku TV black screen issue. Hisense Roku TV black screen issue is a problem that can occur when your Hisense Roku TV shows a black screen instead of the picture or menu. This can be caused by various factors, such as loose or faulty HDMI cable or power connection, incorrect TV input or settings, software glitches or updates, internal damage to the TV components, such as T-con board, backlight, or motherboard. Some possible solutions to fix Hisense Roku TV black screen issue are: check and reconnect all the wires and cables connected to your TV. Power cycle your Hisense Roku TV by unplugging it for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. Make sure your TV is on the correct input by pressing the input/source button on your TV remote. Reset your Roku device by holding down the reset button on the device or going to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Plan B, press the reset button on your device. Check for software updates by going to Settings, System Update on your Roku device. Contact Hisense customer support or a professional technician if the problem persists or you suspect internal damage.